Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I want to talk about the new changes that YouTube have been making for smaller channels. So before we get started, please consider clicking the subscribe button, hitting the bell notification so that you know when I do live broadcasts or when I bring out new videos, and let's get right into it. So, I don't know if you've seen this, but if you have any, if you want to start a YouTube channel of any sort, but you've been put off by this new thing that YouTube have put out, it's really silly to be put off by it. So YouTube have said that if you want to monetize your channel, you now need 1,000 subscribers and you need to have at least 4,000 minutes of watch time. And I think this is in the last year. Now, a lot of people reacted so badly to this. They were just like, this is horrible, this is terrible, I'm not going to bother wasting my time starting a YouTube channel if I can't monetize it. But no one actually really thought about it. Because if you have a YouTube channel that has less than 1,000 subscribers and you haven't reached 4,000 minutes, it doesn't even matter if you've been monetized or not, because you're not going to make that much money. For example, my channel, I think it has about 1,600 subscribers now, maybe a bit more. And I've made less than $200 on YouTube monetization, which is like ads on the front of my videos, right? So I've made so little, and I have way more than 4,000 minutes of watch time. I have way more than 1,000 subscribers, but I just don't care, even if I had less, because the amount of money you're going to be making from YouTube ads is so small when you have that amount. So it isn't really a negative, or you shouldn't let it discourage you from starting a YouTube channel. If you want to start a YouTube channel to make money, then I wouldn't recommend starting a YouTube channel. If you want to make a YouTube channel because you're passionate about something and making money is a side benefit that will come from it, then brilliant, then you should definitely start a YouTube channel. However, if your only idea of making money on YouTube is with YouTube's ad revenue, then it's not worth your time, because the amount of money you make on YouTube ad revenue is so small compared to how much you can make with affiliate marketing, with selling whatever you're selling t-shirts, selling courses, selling anything, selling training, selling coaching. Or let's say you have a cooking channel selling cooking stuff, or let's say you have a car channel selling modified car parts, whatever it may be, who knows. But my point being is if you're just relying on YouTube ad revenue, then you're not going to end up making that much money. And if you have less than 1,000 subscribers and less than 4,000 minutes watch time, you're going to be making even less money with YouTube ad revenue. So don't let it discourage you. If you want to make a YouTube channel, still go ahead and make a YouTube channel. Forget about these new terms that they've set in place. Before you know it, you're going to be way past 1,000 subscribers and way past 4,000 minutes of watch time anyway. Just stay consistent with your YouTube channel. Post a video every week, every day. Just make sure you're consistent with it and you'll see success with it. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. I just wanted to address this issue that people seem to be making a big deal out of when it's really not a big deal. And yeah, that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe so you know when I bring out new videos and when I do live broadcasts. Thank you so much for watching.